In the oil markets, diplomacy burns hotter than diesel. India, the world's third largest crude importer, is quietly recalibrating its energy map. After 2 years of riding the Russian discount wave, New Delhi is now trimming Moscow's share and opening its barrels to new players, the US, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. The reason? Economics, not ideology. The deep discounts on Russian Urals, crude, once more than 10 to 15 a barrel, have now shrunk to just 2 to 3 below Brent, while freight, aid, and insurance costs have risen. What was once a bargain now barely breaks even. India's refiners, especially Reliance and IOC, are shifting toward cheaper logistics and diversified supply. Over the last quarter, Russian oil imports have fallen nearly 45%, even as shipments from the US and the Middle East surged. State refiners are signing new long-term deals with Saudi Aramco and Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, while private refiners explore US Gulf Coast cargoes, a subtle but clear rebalancing of the crude basket. But make no mistake, this isn't a pivot away from Moscow, it's a pragmatic hedging game. Russia still supplies roughly 1/3 of India's total crude, but New Delhi is making sure no single source becomes a noose. The geopolitics are unmistakable. The US wants India aligned with its sanctions regime. Russia wants to retain its biggest Asian customer. India wants energy security. Nothing more, nothing less. By spreading its bets, India isn't bending. It's balancing. Because in a world where oil has become a diplomatic weapon, New Delhi is mastering the art of energy neutrality, ensuring that whether the price war is fought in Moscow, Riyadh, or Washington, India's refineries keep running and its politics stay unburned.